Introducing the all-new and luxurious 2016 Audi A8 L sedan in glacier white metallic. With stunning design, innovative technologies, and outstanding performance, the A8 is a four-door full-size luxury sedan core manufactured and marketed by the German automaker Audi since back in 1994. The A8 is offered as a short wheel or long wheelbase models, and the one we have here today is the long wheelbase model. So with a 3-liter TSFI V6 engine under the hood, the 2016 Audi A8 pushes out a decent 333 horsepower. With this, the A8 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5.5 seconds. The model we have here comes equipped with the executive package, driver assisted package, and it is a permanent all-wheel drive vehicle. The all-wheel drive system has the ability to send power to the wheels that has the most grip to maximize traction to improve handling and performance. This is extremely critical when it comes to slippery roads. From entertainment and safety to comfort and performance, the 2016 Audi A8 has everything there is to offer. Here's the key fob to the car. On there, we have the lock, unlock, trunk release, and the panic button in red. You can press this button to release the manual key. Now let's go ahead and unlock the door and start it up and let you listen to the exhaust note. The A8 does come pre-equipped with the smart keyless access entry, so all you have to do is leave the key in your pocket or purse, put your hand behind the handle to unlock, and touch on the outer side right there to lock. Here's a quick view of the interior. Interior comes in full leather with dark wood trims. Plenty of leg space for the driver there. To start the engine, simply push your foot down the brake and press the start button located in the middle console here. And the navigation system will automatically extend, looking very nice and luxurious. I forgot to mention that the A8 does have the soft closing door feature on all 4 doors. Now let's check out what's under the hood. The specific 2016 Audi A8 again features a 3-liter TSFI V6 engine. The V6 engine pushes out 333 horsepower along with 325 pound-foot of torque. It is a 8-speed Tiptronic transmission with manual shift paddles mounted behind the steering wheel. The 2016 A8 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5.5 seconds. And its top speed is electronically limited to 130 miles per hour. As for fuel economy, the A8 gets 19 miles per gallon in the city, 29 miles per gallon on the highway, and when combined it gets 22 miles per gallon. Very clean engine. Up front, there's the automatic intimate windshield wiper with adjustable speed. Moving down, we have the iconic Audi single frame grille with the Audi logo right in the center. Immediately below the Audi logo, there's a built-in front view camera. Here it is. For enhanced visibility, Audi is known for its beautifully designed full LED headlights, which include LED daytime running lights, LED low and high beam, and LED turn signal lights. This gives the Audi its unmistakable appearance. The front bumper also is equipped with parking assist that will automatically notify the driver when the vehicle is close to hitting any objects. There's also 2 cameras built into the front to view both front side views. Moving over to the side, there's the body color side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light, power adjustable feature, power folding, auto dimming, and heated function. And lastly, there's also a camera located under each side view mirror And as you can see there, just the side view mirror itself is loaded with features. This specific model comes with the standard 19-inch 15 spokes design wheels with 255/45 all-season tires. Behind the wheels, we have the 4-wheel interlock braking system with electronic stability control and brake assist. All 4 wheels are indeed equipped with the tire pressure monitoring system. To the back, there's the middle LED brake light located behind the rear windshield. The rear is also equipped with a rear view camera that automatically turns on when the car is put into reverse. On both sides are the eye-catching LED tail lamps with LED brake light and LED turn signal light. Very attractive rear end. Parking assists are also built into the rear bumper to notify the driver whenever the vehicle is close to hitting any objects. At the bottom, there's the matching color rear diffuser and the dual chrome exhaust tip. And lastly, to distinguish this from other model, there's the A8L badge located on the left hand side. Here's for a closer look at the exhaust pipe. Looks very aggressive and sporty. And here's the lower side. As for the gas tank, just make sure the car is unlocked. To open, simply push in. And the A8 does require premium unleaded gasoline, as you can see there. Now let's go ahead and check out the trunk. As you can see, the A8 trunk is very spacious. Inside we have the car mats there. Hook on this side. And 2 additional one on this side. Here we have the first aid kit. And if we lift this up, we have your spare tire along with all your tools. There's your trunk net. And up here is the emergency trunk release if you ever happen to accidentally lock yourself inside the trunk. Here's where you put your hazard light. And you have 2 buttons. The lock button is to lock the car door, and the button on the left hand side is to close the trunk. Here's a complete view of the top of the car. This one does come with a panorama roof. Here it is with the front portion with the tilt function on. Also looks very cool, all blacked out. And here it is fully open. Here's with both portion tilt function on. Looks extremely sporty. Now for a closer look at the driver's side door. We have the wood trim on top, which looks very nice. Door lock and unlock button. Right below that we have up to 2 memory settings for easy readjustment of the driver's seat. 4 power window control. At the bottom we have the child lock control and side view mirror control on top. Side door storage compartment. And way in there we have your trunk release switch. Quattro Audi door seal. Brake and gas pedals. And here's your hood release lever. multiple front seat control, including lumbar support and massage feature. And here's a closer look at the seat. Very smooth seat belt. The lock and unlock feature does work on all 4 doors, same as the soft closing feature. Here's a quick glance at the back seat. Same style design as the front door. And as you can see, we do have the sunshade cover there, which is a nice feature. You can also control the door lock and unlock feature back here. 2 power window control along with the sunshade cover control for the rear and the tilt function for the back. There's the tilt function for the back alone. Side door storage compartment. Bose surround system. The quattro door sills are seen on all 4 sides. Now again, I am 5'7", so this gives you a better idea of how much leg space you'll have. And as for this being the long wheelbase version, I have no trouble with leg space at all, and I actually have more space than I need. Here's a complete view of the front for sitting in the back. 2 additional air vents back here for the rear. And we have 2 core charge outlet, which can also be used as a cigarette lighter. The middle portion is split and raised up here. Backseat compartment. Very nice wood trim finish here. And let's see what we have in the middle. This entire piece pulled down. And here we have the complete AC and heat control. More storage compartment in here. Let's see, you can actually open this thing and you have kind of like a secret compartment in there. And here we have 2 cup holders. Very unique in design. And both back seat does have the heated function. Here's a more detailed look at the back seat. Back seat does have the built-in latch system for you to safely secure down your baby seat. Both sides on top, we have the handbar and a spot for you to hang your clothes or anything you need. Light control. Same thing you see over here as the other side. We also have a removable ashtray here. Simply press the eject button to release it. Very convenient and easy to clean. And on top we have a huge piece of mirror with light. Very similar to the BMW higher models. And there's a quick look to the top here. Looks very cool and nice. And we're back in the driver's seat. Here we have the 4-spoke steering wheel. Looks and feels very comfortable. Over here we have the different display selection, which will allow you to control everything that's going to be displayed here on the front digital dash. Audi logo in the middle with the horn. Over here we have the audio volume control along with the voice command option. Behind the steering wheel, we have a standard gear shift paddle on the right and another on the left. Windshield wiper control. Right and left turn signal. And press the button on the end for the active lane assist. Here we have your adaptive cruise control. And way in the back we have the steering wheel placement. And this is your adaptive control here. Driver air vent. Headlamps control along with headlight washer. And this one does come with the head-up display over here also. Let me try and show it to you up here. As you can see there, it's blinking, but in reality it doesn't blink at all. And you can also adjust the height placement. You can move it up or down. On top we have the driver's sun visor with a small piece of mirror and light on top, which turn on and off according to open and closure of the mirror. You can move this over to the side for better sun coverage. Also have the handbar on the side here. Moving over to the middle, we have the beautiful high resolution navigation system display with 2 air vents, one on each side. Below that we have your engine auto start function control. And right after that we have the button which allows you to manually fold down the navigation system display here. And as you can see, it's covered up very nicely. Next we have your traction control button, hazard light control. Moving over, we have parking assist control, and here's the rear sunshade cover control. Press once to lower, and press it one more time to raise. And here we have your CD slot, along with 2 SD card holder and a SIM slot in the middle. Below that we have complete dual AC heat climate control. Both front seats have heated and fan feature. You use this knob here to maneuver around the different settings on the navigation system and audio. You can also press down to select. Above that we have the different display selection. Here's the navigation settings. Telephone view. Car setting here. Looks very futuristic. Audio view. And media view there. Here's your volume control. And you can simply press down on it to turn the audio on or off. Over here we have a touchpad which allows you to store up to 6 favorite channels. It's pretty sensitive. And here's our gear shift box. To control, push your foot down the brake, move it down to R to put the car into reverse. Now when you do so, rear view camera automatically display here on the screen. And next to it we have the full 360-degree views camera with guided lines which move according to the movement of the steering wheel. Very nice safety feature. And for neutral, D/S for drive or manual sport mode. You can simply use a gear shift paddle to change gears. Here we have 2 cup holders, and in between we have a cigarette lighter, which can also be used as a 12-volt core charge outlet. Very nice wood trim finish. Here's the power parking brake. Up to activate, and push your foot down the brake and press down to deactivate. Middle armrest compartment is split 50-50. Let's see what we have in here. Here we have an input for you to use as a core charger or audio play. Glove box compartment. Have multiple compartments inside. And here's a complete view of the front dash. Further up, we have the rearview mirror with navigational direction. We're currently in the northeast direction. Here's a spot for you to put your glasses. Up here we have your lighting control. And in the middle here we have the sunroof control on top, the sunshade cover control or power control. Lastly, we have your universal garage door opener. You can use this button to open and close your garage doors after inputting codes. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thanks everyone for watching. And if you have any comments or requests for car reviews, go ahead and leave me a comment below. For more future car reviews, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and give our videos a thumbs up. And make sure to check out our official Facebook page for our everyday activity. Again, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see everyone in the next video review.